Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are plane spotting at St. Bart's. There we go, just put it down. So I am plane spotting at St. Bart's. So it looks like we have a KLM 747. Why is it? I should really go here. So most of the action happens. Oh my days. What is this KLM doing? This is not St. Martin.
You do not need to know.
Oh, there's a FedEx, there's a FedEx, there's a FedEx.
Oh, where's the FedEx?
There's a FedEx, there's a FedEx, there's a FedEx. Shut up. Thank you. I'm just going to use binoculars. So as you can see, FedEx down there, I can see it very lightly. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go here instead. Right. FedEx, that one's going off to Anguilla. There is a person running. That is Alan. That actually going to take off from there?
No, is it?
Is he going to take off from a short runway?
Nah. He's gonna go on the beach.
He's pushbacking. Nah, he's actually taken off from
He's
there.
going on the beach.
No, there's no way. There's no way in ATR 70.
No. No. Yep, I told you.
He's going to go in the sea.
His back claws touch the sea.
There goes FedEx to... Oh my days! Oh my days! What actually happened to that FedEx? I think it disappeared. No, it's up there. We have no arrivals right now. We just had a departure to Anguilla. Well, this is St. Bartholomew. We also have a uplift aircraft. This one's going off to Sabre. This one's going off to Sabre. Which is alright, it's an alright flight. So I can't really see the aircraft because the hill is here. But I hope it lands. I hope one arrival comes. Well, I hope there's an arrival at least. I don't think that's ever going to happen. There's a United Express also going off to Miami. But that's just right there. Right, there it goes. Is it going to take off in time? I mean, it should. Quite busy, let's say, Bartholomew. There it goes, over the beach. So we do have United. I'm going to go focus on United now. This one's going off to Miami. Oh, I think we have a low flyover. Where is it? Oh my days! Put the South American music on, please. Put some South American music on. Oh, something like that. We have to touch this flag in the back of the house. You know what that's like. Where is United? United is there. You gonna land that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna land here.
Owen is uplift, by the way, guys. But this is obviously going to Miami. As I said, this was going off to Miami. We're going to Miami. Oh, that's an overrun. That's an overrun. Oh my days! That has to be going. Let's go. Oh my days! That almost cut my head off. also have a fighter jet going to NA. We have no information of where it's going to arrive. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay. Oh, there it goes. It's going to NA. We do not know where it's going to get. It almost looks like, why is every single plane doing that? There's uplift. Oh my days. Should I say barking?
Like you just said it was going to be
That was originally supposed to come through 12 and 3.
I'll unbox it in a second. I am doing a Planespotting video. I'll do an unboxing video later on. I'm gonna have to go in a second, guys, because FedEx is flying from the back of my house, and I want to hear the 777 engine. And Alan, are you even landing?
Yes.
It's not busy anymore, unfortunately. Imagine like a KLM 747 just comes in. Okay. You're gonna go from the other side. Can you go from the other side? Not that side. Oh wait, I think we have an arrival. I think we have an arrival. I might be wrong. Oh my days, what was that? United! United, why is this one's coming from Miami? We have go around, let's go around. Another go around, let's put the South American music on. Where is it? I can't even see it.
It has crashed.
It crashed, unfortunately. There was a crash by Alwyn. Can you stop sniffing the package?
I had to admit that as well.
Someone is at the front door.
Right, stop it.
Ich versteht here. Alright, we're gonna wrap it up. It's not busy anymore. Shut up. Oh, okay, here comes United, here comes United, here comes United, here comes United! Put the South American music on! FedEx is coming soon, so that means I do have to have it. We have another uplift. Uplift is one of the most famous things. This is Alwyn, obviously uplift is Alwyn. Hello, Anthony.
Rudy.
Actually, where is this flight? FedEx is going to fly over soon. So guys, we do have to go for a second. I'm doing a Planespotting video. I'm literally doing a video as we speak. Guys, let's go. Oh guys, we'll be back.
Flight taken off and hope it doesn't hit in the mountains and going.
Hello guys. Let's go back.
My plane's just chilling. My plane's still going. Oh, no. We're licking the floor. Slide box. Wait.
Good boy.
Hey man. I don't even know who that is. Bro, where's my plane? I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm coming!
I'm freezing, guys. Alright, I'm back, guys. I'm back. Once again, we just saw FedEx. As we did see FedEx in the video as well. There's a Ryanair coming from Verona. Imagine this was flying to Stansted.
I'm gonna be playing upstairs because I need to connect my phone
Alright.
because it's on 1%.
So I'll just. Since there's nothing, I think we're gonna have I think we're having no airplane, so I'm gonna end it here. Hope you enjoyed St. Bartholomew. Bye, guys.